Ordinary Portland cement has 3 grades that are 33 grade, 43 grade, 53 grade. As per the Bureau of Indian Standard, these grades are differentiated by their compressive strengths, and these strengths are expressed in Newton per millimeter square. Compressive strength is a ratio of load per unit area. The load is calculated in Newton and the area is calculated in millimeter square. Difference between 43 and 53 grade cement are as follows. Indian Standard Code. For 43 grade cement, Indian Standard Code 8112 is used. Whereas for 53 grade cement, Indian Standard Code 12269 is used. Compressive strength. For calculation of compressive strength, cement, sand and water are mixed together, vibrated and cured, and cubes are made. These cubes are tested in the laboratory at 27 degrees Celsius after 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. Cement grade indicates the compressive strength of cement concrete after 28 days of setting. Heat of hydration. During initial setting, 53 grade cement releases heat of hydration at a much faster rate as compared to 43 grade cement. Therefore, the chances of microcracking are much greater, and these microcracks may not be visible on the surface. Many times at site, supervisors or masons increase the quantity of cement in the mix. They think that it will increase the strength and the durability of concrete. But it creates microcracks in the concrete. Hence 53 grade cement should be used only where such applications are warranted for making concrete of higher strength, where good supervision and quality assurance measures are in place, and where proper precautions are taken to reduce the higher heat of hydration through a proper curing process. Price. Price of 43 grade cement is lower than 53 grade cement. Whereas price of 53 grade cement is higher than 43 grade cement. Uses. 43 grade cement is used in PCC and RCC works, preferably where the grade of concrete up to M30. Also, it is recommended for plastering, tiling, brickwork and stone masonry, flooring, pathway etc. Where initial day's strength, not prime importance. It is also used in the finishing of all types of building, bridges, culvert, roads, water-retaining structures etc. Whereas 53 grade OPC cement is recommended in all RCC structures like footing, column, beams and slabs, where initial and ultimate strength is the major structural requirement. It can also be used for RCC work where the grade of concrete is M30 and above. 53 grade cement also used for high-rise building, industrial work, a precast concrete items such as paving blocks, tiles, building blocks, pipes, railway sleepers, pole etc. Prestressed concrete work like bridges, silos etc. Runway, concrete roads, bridges. Cold weather concreting, cement grouts, instant plugging etc.